is Kelly at the Wichita Falls Public Library, here for another Crafteen Tuesday. Today we will be making a paper leaf garland. For today's project, you will need either a string or wire, a hole puncher glue, and paper leaves or any other paper crafts that you want to put on the garland. First, you will need to gather all of the materials that were previously stated. Then you can choose to do this craft in a couple of different ways. You can either use the hole punch to make holes at the top of the leaf or pumpkin to slip the string through, or you can use the glue and glue the leaves, pumpkins, and string together. You can even use tape if you need to for the string. I personally decided to do the hole punch method, so I will need to make 1 or 2 holes in each leaf or pumpkin that is being used and pull the string through. Once you have started with the first one, you'll just continue and do this for the rest of the items until you are finished. So I have finished punching the holes and threading the string through all of my paper cutouts. You can color them or add more decoration or other shapes to the leaf garland. But once you get to this point, you're done. You can hang it up wherever you want to for fall decorations. I will have grab-and-go craft bags on the youth side of the service desk for this craft, so be looking for them after this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's craft, and I'll see you guys next time.